Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can increase or decrease the screen brightness on the iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. Now your phone should automatically change or set the brightness based on the lighting environment that you are in. If you want to manually override the settings so that you can increase the brightness to a maximum or lower it down manually, this is where you can set it. So first, let's go back to your home screen, and on your home screen you want to tap on settings. In settings, go down and tap on display and brightness. In here you can drag on the slider bar to the left to lower the brightness, and then drag all the way to the right to increase the brightness. Now you can also change the brightness from the control center. So you want to swipe down at the top to open up your control center, and in here you can increase or decrease by simply dragging on the bar upwards or downward. And that's it. That's how you can change the screen brightness on your device. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.